Friends, welcome to the another video of M Technology. Here we discuss about the topic Design Masters programs. It is totally based on the diploma holders in mechanical engineering. Here, after the diploma is completed, uh, then the many of the assets which come upon our face that how we can get a good job in almost all of the markets with our certain competitors, because in those days the competition is so rarely most tough and toughest. So what is the fundamental and essential skills which can we improve yourself and get you a successive goal in your life? So here is a part of designing is also a good successive platform which can give you a good opportunities in almost of the entire world in mechanical engineering. So here we see a small data that how and where which can be start the designing courses. That here, according to this data, there is a two engineers which can tolerate or significance their skills from the universities of Chennai and get a status there skills in the comparison of designing courses. So according to this data, 58 plus countries can adopt these courses, and 8,000 students can do these courses also, and 300 plus placements can be concerned on that topic, and 30,000 projects which will be given by the companies or many of the other authorities. So here we see that the opportunity in that part of the mechanical engineering is must good. So even for the diploma holders can try harder and good in that way for the designing program and their programming. So here is the some more information about the programming. So we should learn and choose what you want, what you and what is the good efforts for your career and your life and your goals also. So there is a in the below part of this data, there is a question is arise that why are the prerequisites and the learning outcome for the students after selecting the masters in design engineering program. So how and what is the following criteria which can consult you as a good design engineering programmer? So there are the following ways that we can adopt and implies in your life for being a good engineering programmer in future. So there are the more conditions. In these conditions, the CAD, design engineering, and more the vocabulary courses which are added. So I should drop the PDF into the description links. So put it and read it that how it can change or give a good successive growth of your life. Here are some of the more criteria of and part database which can desire the whole concepts that our supports engineers and the career support how much how did we achieve your goals by completing these courses. So there is some of the ways from which we can concern or take good opportunities. So first way is the counseling, and second is the link dial, third is the resume, fourth is the tool test, and fifth is the mock interview. Mock interview is the most initial part of your life, and all over the any suggestive platform, the interview or the mock interview is most essential because it can desire your skills. It can shows your improvement and what type of recognition which can you give to a to your desired companies and any other industrial areas. So it totally is depend on you and how should you employ yourself as a good listener, as a good reader. So mock interview is most initial and important part of any vocabulary courses. So there's the next topic. Next topic is reasons to select these courses. The how we can and why we can select these courses. And the other is course syllabus. That what is the syllabus which can be learned and take a good job according to this course. There is some of the more data which can be given you on the screen, and their durations of months and the enrollment is also available. And for the more information you can contact on the email info@skilllines.com, and there is the address is also included and a phone number where you can link up with the following institute. Or so best of luck and give your best, and thanks for watching this video.